Hey, I'm Reeve Schulstad, and I'm the professor for MUS 2011 Music and Culture. Welcome to the class. I'm looking forward to working with you this summer and to talk with you more about music fundamentals and music through different lenses of understanding. I'm a musicologist at Appalachian State. I've been here since 2009 and can't remember how long I've been here. And I love teaching here, and I love teaching this class online, and I think this class can be a lot of fun. So I want to help you get started so you can jump right in and start listening to some great music and thinking about music from a variety of different ways. Just to give you a little background about myself, besides the fact that I work here and do research, my husband and I have just come back from a trip from Norway. We both turned 50 this year, and that was our present to each other. So I've just been back for a couple of days, but I'm over my jet lag and I'm ready to get to work. So when you open the As You Learn site, the first thing that you're going to see are the first module that has the syllabus and several things that can help you out if you need to use them. So besides looking at the syllabus, if you have any questions, I would like to ask you to use this forum that says Ask Reeves. That way other students can benefit from your questions and my responses to them. So we can have one place for all the sort of frequently asked questions for the class. After you have a look at the syllabus, you'll see that the class is divided up into several modules. You'll start with the one that says Let's Get It Started. And for each module, there will be a learning goals and agenda that you'll want to click on that will give you all the information you need for that particular module. And then there will be assignments. So for the first one, there is a forum on music and your identity and a quiz that you need to take on the syllabus in the As You Learn site. Then you get into the music fundamentals, and again, clicking on the goals and agenda, you'll see which pages in the textbook you need to read for each one of these. And it will have all the information for things that you will need to listen to. And for all of the listening examples, I've embedded the listening examples into the assignment. So you should just be able to click on them and they will be there. For most of the modules, there's a forum, a quiz, a listening journal, and an assignment. Sometimes there's just one assignment, but sometimes I give you choices, like in music and ethnicity. You do the quiz and the listening journal, but you just choose one of these three assignments. You don't have to do all three of those. That way you can have a bit of choice about what you want your experience of this module to be. The way to know when things are due is to look at the calendar. The calendar has the deadline for all of the assignments already in it, and you can export the calendar into whatever calendar you use, Google Calendar or iCal, and that'll help you keep up with the coursework. You can also have a quick link to things that are coming up in the upcoming events, and that can help you stay on task. I think it's really important in an online class, and especially in the summer, for you not to get behind. So please have a look and think about the next 5 weeks and how you're going to manage your time. So I think that's all for now. I think that'll help you get started with the course. And just let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you online.